Hello everyone, welcome to TNT for NEET. I'm back with another video of ray optics. In previous video we discussed about mirror formula and magnification. If you didn't watch it, then click on the I button. Now come back to today's topic without wasting time. So let's get started. So the first condition is when object moves perpendicular to the mirror. Moves perpendicular to the mirror. Okay, so if there is a plane mirror at rest, if object moves with the velocity 5 meter per second towards the mirror, so the velocity of image is same and towards the mirror. The velocity of image is 5 meter per second, but it is on this direction. Okay, so for this the formula is V I is equal to minus V object, because it is with respect to mirror, so V I with respect to mirror is equal to minus V object with respect to mirror. This is the formula for the velocity in plane mirror. Okay, if there is a mirror and this is the object move towards the mirror 2 meter per second with the velocity, and the mirror moves on opposite direction with the velocity of 5 meter per second. So what is the velocity of the image? Okay, for this, because the formula is V image with respect to mirror is equal to minus V object with respect to mirror, so we can write velocity of image minus velocity of mirror is equal to minus velocity of object minus velocity of mirror. Okay, this is from here. Velocity of image with respect to mirror is velocity of image minus velocity of mirror, and velocity of object with respect to mirror is velocity of object minus velocity of mirror. Velocity of image minus velocity of mirror is equal to minus velocity of object plus velocity of mirror. Vi is equal to, this Vm is come there, so 2 Vm minus velocity of object. This is the formula for the moving mirror. Okay, now put the value of the questions. Vi is equal to 2 into velocity of mirror. The velocity of mirror is 5 meter per second, so into 5 minus velocity of object. The velocity of object is 2 meter per second, so it is 2. Okay, this is the velocity of mirror and this is the velocity of object. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 meter per second. This is the value of velocity of image. Now come to the next condition, the condition 2. And yes, if there is condition, just the direction of image or direction of object or mirror is another side, so please take minus sign. Okay, so the next condition is object moves parallel to the mirror. This is the easiest condition. Okay, so there is a plane mirror which is at rest, and this is the object which is moving on parallel to the mirror. Okay, the velocity is 2 meter per second. So the velocity of the image is also 2 meter per second. Okay, because this is parallel to the mirror. If the mirror is moving on this direction, so the velocity is as same as when the mirror is at rest. If mirror also moves, then the velocity of image is still same. There is no effect of velocity of mirror on the velocity of image. Okay, means Vi is equal to V object. Velocity of image is also 2 meter per second. So I told you that if this is on opposite side, to take the minus sign. Okay, take the negative sign here, and you will solve the question and you get the right answer. Okay, so this is all about plane mirror. So my next topic will be velocity in spherical mirror. Don't forget to watch that video, that will be very interesting. So we will meet in my next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.